Hi guys, today I wanna show you how to install light just under the shelf. So it's very easy, but I give you tips how to hide the cable. So generally when IKEA instructions say how to install the shelves, so you have a shelves and then light, and then you have a cable, and you need to drill up to just pass the cable through the frame. So you will see the cable here, so that it's quite not good at all for me. So what I do is just show you how to hide the cable. So yes. First things, we need to understand where the shelves will go. Generally, I put on number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And put this one to number 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And then same. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To drill, just change the bits. Let's screw the part. So those two parts go always on the left right of our IKEA Pax. There we go. And we have those two parts. One is A and one is B. So A go this side here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And the other one here, that is B. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And let's put here. And then we have those ones that come with the shelf. So we just need to use 2. Normal one. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. As you can see, this is the position. Yeah. So now put the shelf on top. Okay. And then put the shelf on top, and then I mark this point here, like this. Remove again the shelf. And we drill just this cable. So this one go to the back and this one go to our light. So. is our light. We need to install like this part here. Just click in. Just click in. Cable in. Now give on like this. So cable is straight over there. So now as you can see, our cable is perfectly high. Here there's no cable. So let's do the other one and connect to the back. This is what we have now behind the box. So all we have to do is to connect this part